Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a makeup wish list update. I bought a million things in the Sephora VIB sale. The video that I filmed with the haul is already live, so I will link it down below, and there I told you everything that I purchased. But now I want to just update the wish list because I did purchase some items from the wish list that I had, I think, in March, and now I want to talk about the future, the products that I am interested in. So we are talking about the future purchases, but that I hope it is far in the future because I need to enjoy the products that I just purchased. So in the primer and foundation categories, I didn't purchase anything. As primer, I still have the Huda Beauty Easy Blur as a wishlist item, and in the foundation category I have the Fenty Soft Lid. I don't want the Maybelline foundation anymore just because, I don't know, I just feel, I have a feeling that I will not enjoy that one. So it is what it is. These two are still in my favorites. I will probably buy them, I don't know, maybe in the summer, or I would hope even later because I have more than enough. I need to use the items that I already have, otherwise it will go to waste. In the bronzer category, I still have the Maybelline Lifter Stick. It's not available here, so I am not able to purchase it. So that's that. In the blush category, I mentioned last time that I wanted to purchase the Sephora colorful blush, and I did. This one, it is a pretty nice product, but overall I wouldn't call this a colorful blush. Maybe a colorful highlighter, sure. This doesn't have that much pigment, and even in the pen you can see that this is pretty light, and not because of the shade, it's just a lot of shimmer and not that much color. So overall it is a nice product. And now in the wish list I have another blush, and it pains me that it is a liquid one. I have this duo from Huda Beauty with the liquid blushes. I heard so good things about these ones, and they are so cute because they are small and mini products, and there are two colors. So I don't know, I bought so many blushes and some of them are very disappointing. Liquid products are in general not my favorite, so I have no idea why I am always interested in them. For eyes, I mentioned some products. I told you that I want to buy the Natasha Denona primer, but that was not available at the time, so I bought the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I really like this one. Then I mentioned the Catrice Space Glam eyeshadow. This is a multi-chrome from the drugstore, and actually it is a nice shadow. I did broke mine and it looks a bit messy, but it's nice overall. It's not like the most blinding, crazy multi-chrome out there, but for this price, and even it's better than the price, overall I do recommend it. It is nice and affordable, and it looks beautiful on the eyes. Another product that I mentioned is the Eyeshadow stick from L'Oreal. This is a big no-no. It's just burnt my eyes. I really don't like it. On my wish list right now I have two other shadow sticks, and I really don't need more shadow sticks, but these look so nice. First of all, we have the drugstore one, that is the Rimmel shadow stick. I would love to be able to swatch this one, but it's not available in stores. I can order it only online, and I'm so curious about it, but I'm gonna wait a bit longer. And then Too Faced did release some shadow sticks, and I heard again some good things. I'm gonna wait and swatch these, but they look so nice. I am so curious. For lips, I mentioned three products. The Makeup Forever one. This is not in my wish list anymore, just because I feel like sometimes high-end lip glosses are pretty disappointing, and I'm gonna mention this one as well that was in my wish list and I did purchase. This is the Makeup by Mario Supershine lip gloss. This is not a bad lip gloss, but it's 2025 and every type of lip gloss has been already done, so this is just okay. It's nice, I will use it, but is it worth this price? No. Even with the discount with the Sephora VIB sale and everything, still no. And then I have this one, that is a drugstore one. This is the L'Oreal Plump Ambition. This is nice, but if you apply too much, this will just burn your mouth. It is what it is. If you are eating it, don't eat your lip gloss, but you know what I mean. If some of this is getting inside your lips, it will burn, you will not like it. But otherwise, it is a nice product. And from the drugstore, so just buy lip glosses from the drugstore. They are just better in general. But me saying that, I still have one product that is not a drugstore in the lip category, and it is the Clarins Lip Perfector. I don't know why it takes me this long to purchase a product that I really like. I already know that I like this one, but I always want to try something new, and that is, yeah, I really like this one. It was so beautiful on the lips, very hydrating, long-lasting, as long-lasting as a lip glossy lip product could be. And then the most confusing product from NYX, the matte lip balm. I have no idea what that is, but I want it, so it is what it is. When NYX is releasing something, I want to try it. It is a fact. I'm wearing the highlighter from NYX. Didn't even want a new highlighter, but like I said, NYX is just always intriguing me, so 90% of the products that they are releasing, I want to purchase them, so that's that. Yeah, matte lip balm. How is that working? I have no idea. And in general, I don't like matte lips, but it is a lip balm, so who knows? Maybe it is the most hydrating matte lip. That sounds very confusing, so I have no idea what that is, but again, I want it, so it is what it is. This is everything. I hope I didn't miss a lot of products from last time. Like I said, I'm gonna put the haul down below because I lost track. I purchased way too many products. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.